Hey, Casey. What'd you say? What'd you say? What was it? Lassie fall down a well? What? Casey, I can't hear you. What'd you say? You got something to say? Is that true? Or are you lying? Are you lying to me? Yes? Conan's got something to say. He's protesting. Protester. You see, the second I start video recording, he stops. What? You got something to say? No. He wants me to open the door. Huh. The door? You want me to open the door? Oh, hi, Casey. Conan, are you okay? I think he's playing dead. Your life over? You gonna get doggy depressed now?
He's pouty. He's trying to see his mom under the door.
He's trying to find his mommy. Where's Mama? What do you think, Casey? Where she is? Huh? That's a nice theory, but Conan? Conan, you gonna be okay? He's hyperventilating. Conan? Come on, get up. Get up. What? What'd you say? You talking to me? Are you talking to me? Did you do something bad? Casey, you think we should wrap this up? The crowd has spoken.